Nikki says, I have a 14-year-old Aussie that gets a honking cough every day for years, usually worse after she gets a big drink of water. Sounds like she's choking. Sometimes their cartilage gets weak in their trachea, and that can cause kind of a honking cough, in which case you can use diluted Immortelle, a little bit of sandalwood, lavender, myrrh, cedarwood can sometimes help, and cypress can actually help that a little bit too. Of course, we're going to dilute it properly, dilute to 2% before you apply it topically over that area. And you can also use Airway opening oils, so like diffuse your like Air X or Breathe or something like that can sometimes help as well. Big drinks of water, you can discourage that by putting big rocks in the water, so she has to like lick around it and they're not just gulping and having a little bit go down the wrong tube basically, which can cause some coughing as well. The other thing you can do is acupuncture is actually really good for these guys. That would be another one that I would definitely look into. Find a veterinary acupuncturist in your area to help you out there.